Okay, so we want to know the names of all the month in a year that has Friday the 13th. Now there is a twist for this question. What is it? That any month that starts on Sunday will have Friday the 13th. So we can use a very handy function called calendar.monthRange that can help us know what is the day number of the first date of every month. So first we are going to import our calendar. Then I am going to create a simple for loop that starts from 1 and goes on till 13 so that we can include all the 12 months in our year, and let us assume we are working only for the year 2024. So I can use that function first comma num days equals calendar dot month range, and the first parameter in month range is the year, second is the month, so month is denoted by the I loop. Now this function month range always returns two things. First, it will return the day number of the first date of any month. For example, if I talk about January 2024, so in the variable first I will get any of the values starting from 0 to 6. 0 means Monday, 6 means Sunday, 1 means Tuesday, 2 means Wednesday, and so on. So I am interested only if the first day is 6, because that would correspond to Sunday. So I say that if first double equal to 6, in that case I just have to print the name of the month. So I'll print the name of the month using calendar dot month underscore name, and in square bracket I will put the value of month, that is I. That's all. See, in September and December in 2024 we have Friday the 13th.